Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you so much. Aitada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop iChannel. We are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 7, Siwelele 4. Sisi kunjani?
Hayi ngiyaphila futhi njani?
Siyaphila ubani usisi uyaphi?
Asabonga Chikila ubuya eStern Cape engqaleni.
Uyibone njani igame namhlanje?
Le game indijabulise. I was so happy. I just wanted to congratulate i-Sundowns ukuthi iwinile. But abangavuyi kakhulu because they are not happy about their goals abazithole namhlanje. Yes. But thina singama Pirates siyeza apha emva kwenu bafana and siyanishiya ngama goals, don't forget that. But nina nishiya ngantoni ngama points.
Exactly. Yeah.
But we are coming for you. Ra ileague siyayithatha and siyangena ku CAF and bona umzekelo yabona uWilliams ndimbonile man ukhathele 4 goals is not a small thing, but 4 goals is too much, guys. For Iswelele, Sundowns be leading go 5-1.
Exactly.
But they fought. Those guys fought. But from Baskora, bafumana 4 goals. Kuban ku 5-1. Exactly. Now ba winning go for 7-3. 7-4. It's too much, guys. Well done now, Swelele.
It's better than nothing.
Yeah. Number 1.
I love you.